Hello, everyone. So many have asked to give the video explanation for this question. Okay, let's jump to the question. So we have 5 moles of a binary group 2 oxides, which are found to have mass of 521 grams. And they ask us to identify the group 2 metal. Okay, first we have to check, or we have to understand what does it mean by binary group 2 oxide. So for this one, you need your periodic table. Okay, so we're gonna pull out our periodic table and have a look. Okay, shall we? So group 2 means the second column, right? So this is the first column, this is the second column. So group 2 will be any of this, okay? Might be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, or radium. Any of this might be the one that combined with oxide. What is oxide? Oxide is oxygen. So it might be beryllium oxide. It also can be magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, strontium oxide, blah, blah, blah. We do not know which one, right? It can be either one of these metals from the group 2, okay? Now, our job is to identify which one is the metal that combined with the oxygen. And how do we recognize that, or how do we identify that? That is by using the molar mass, okay? By using the molar mass. So what is the unit of molar mass? The unit of molar mass is a gram per mole, okay? So if you look at the unit, even though you do not know the formula, okay, you just look at the unit. So you see gram per mole, right? You can have an idea, or you can kind of like, find out what would be the formula of the molar mass. So if you get grams, right, or mass divided by the mole, you're gonna get your molar mass. So our molar mass formula is actually gram per mole. You can say gram or mass per mole, okay? And in this question, they give us the mass, which is 521 grams. So we're going to take 521 grams divided by the moles, which is 5.00 moles. And when we do that, we're going to get, give me a second. Oh my God, I forgot my calculator. Just give me a second. Let's pull out the Google calculator. I think it will be around 100. If we do mental math, it will be around, I just want to be accurate, so okay. So we have 521 divided by 5.00 moles, and that's going to give us around 104.2 gram per mole. Do not forget your units. Okay, do not forget your units. Okay, there you go. We have the molar mass, but this is the molar mass of what? This is the molar mass of one of the metal with oxygen. That means, let's just say we still do not know the metal, right? So we'll just say that's X and oxygen, okay? So this is the mass of X and oxygen, the molar mass combination of both of them. If we just want to find what's the mass of X, how would we do it? We will have to subtract the total, which is 104.2, from the oxygen from the total, right? So this is for the total, okay, which is the XO. But if we only want to find what is the X, we got to subtract oxygen from it. So let's just do that, okay? So molar mass. So here you can say molar mass of XO. Now, molar mass of X will be molar mass of XO minus molar mass of X. Molar mass of O, right? So what is the molar mass of XO? It is 104.2. And what's the molar mass of oxygen? It is around 16. You can see here 15.99999. You can just like, round it off to 16. Okay. And doing that, you're gonna have, give me a sec. Not very good with the mental math. Yeah, and we'll have 88.2 gram per mole. Okay, now that we have 88.2 gram per mole, what's our job is, remember how it is from group 2? So we're gonna check the molar mass of group 2 and see which one. It does not have to be exact, but we have to see which one is the most closest to 88.2. Okay, so we're gonna go here, right? And then see which one is 88.2. Super far away, very far away. That's close, right? 88.2 and 87.62. Let's check what's the other mass. Oh, very far away. So now we know that our element is strontium Sr. So it is, so you can write here. So the element or the metal, whatever, is Sr. Okay? Great job, everyone. And thank you for watching. Okay? Bye-bye.